Hi children, let's do our third activity for today, which is baby yoga. The learning objective behind this activity are stimulate gross motor skills, strengthen body muscle, improve flexibility, increase body awareness, balance and coordination. The benefits of yoga for kids are in the early years of child's life are extremely important for their emotional, cognitive and physical development. Yoga gives them opportunity to develop all the areas of their being, making them healthier and happier. There are three amazing benefits of yoga for your children. Physical development, it gets them moving. Cognitive learning, it improves their focus and concentration. Psychological benefit, it boosts their confidence and self-esteem. The resources which are required for this activity are yoga mat and light background music. You can play any rhyme or an light instrument music at background. And you have to begin this activity by placing a mat on the floor and then you have to play this light music. So our first pose for today is reverse tabletop pose. For this pose, come to sitting with palms behind you and soles of your feet flat in front of you. Lift your buttocks to create a table. Then walk like a crab. Like a crab, as you can see in this picture, that how the child is doing. Like this. You have to do this pose and then you have to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Our next pose for today is seated forward bend. For this pose, what you have to do is you have to sit on floor and with straight out in front of you. Bend your torso forward while keeping your spine straight. Dangle your arm in front of you like tentacles of octopus. As you can see in this picture, that how the child is doing. Similarly, you have to do. You have to try to touch your feet with your hands like this. Then our next pose is half shoulder stand. For this, you have to lie on the floor. Place your hands below your hips. Slowly raise your legs up and hold in the position for some time. This pose is called half shoulder stand. You can breathe in and breathe out. Then our next pose is boat pose. For this pose, you have to sit on the floor with your legs straight up ahead. Slowly lift your legs to your shoulder level and balance like a boat. You can do this activity with your child. Parent and child can do this activity together. And while doing this pose, they can sing the rhyme of row, row, row your boat, row, row, row your boat. Then our last pose for today is bow pose. For this pose, you have to lie on your tummy, bend your knees and hold your ankles, lifting your chest up and raise your legs up as high as you can. As you can see in this picture, that how the child is doing. Similarly, you have to raise your legs by holding them with your hands, like you can see in this picture. I'm sure that you and your child enjoyed this yoga poses a lot because yoga is very important for us to keep our body healthy, fit and active. So try these poses at home and please share photographs with us. Thank you. Thank you so